back to the journey of Rise, and I will begin with some exciting news after I take off my satin cap. Okay, that's better. Yes, I have some exciting news for you guys on what I used to retwist my starter locks last Monday. But before I get into that, this is just a fun video and also that quick update. And I'll also be testing out some nice features that I found out way after. The lightning on the first official video wasn't all of that, I know, but no, I got that all sorted out, so therefore we will be more engaged and no distractions, okay? And also sometimes you'll be seeing some videos or pictures popping up here as I speak, so let's just get into it. As I said, I have some exciting news in regards to what I retwist my starter locks with. I know I said in my official video I will only use water and oil to retwist my starter locks or my locks in general, but I needed a firmer hold, so I decided to use homemade flaxseed gel. When I say homemade, that means homemade, self-explanatory. I made it myself. It was supposed to take maybe 15 minutes, but then I ran into some complications. So I had to improvise. My husband and I, we did improvise, but we got it done, okay? But this is what the retwist looks like. So far, I have no buildup, no flakes, nothing that's out of the ordinary. It's just a nice retwist, making my hair look healthy. And also, I spoke about the frizz in the last video. The frizz went down, not a lot, but we're gonna use this flaxseed gel again. But when I do my 3-month update on my Loc journey, I think it's maybe 2 weeks, but on May 17th, when I upload my video, I'll definitely include how that flaxseed gel is worked for me and if I will be using it again. I can definitely make a video if you guys are interested. Let me know on how to make flaxseed gel. Honestly, they're everywhere on YouTube and on Google, so if you guys want to see me personally make it, I can definitely do that for you all. Just let me know, comment down to the bottom, and I will definitely get that, okay? So the gel was a bit hard in the beginning, but when it dried, it stiffened, but then the next day it was just loose and nice. So I mean, this is how it looks. I like it, it's amazing, and hopefully there's no buildup so I can use it again. So I'll just go through how I actually made it, just little pictures and the after product of my hair. Now this is gonna make a week on Monday, tomorrow, so definitely it's kind of old by now, but I'll definitely put in some pictures how it came out first of all. Okay, I just got flaxseed from the shop and I use water. I got a bowl and I got stocking cap, so therefore I can strain it. Now this is all the ingredients that I used. I boiled it, filled some water up in a pot, and then I put maybe like 3 tablespoons of flax seeds in that pot and I stir it. Then after maybe 5 minutes I stir it again, and then the texture was coming along, but it was still a bit runny. So after that I kept it on for maybe 10-15 minutes. Then it came to the perfect texture. Can you see that? That's a nice texture. I think I boiled it too much because it got too thick, because when it gets cool it thickens more. So just for the future, to myself, I would not boil it so much. I might do it maybe like 12 minutes, and then when I strain it, it will get the perfect texture that I want. So then I went ahead and I strained it, but then in the stocking cap, but then the stocking cap tore. So then all the seeds were coming out. I was like, babe, oh my gosh, what's happening? So then he came to the rescue. He thinks quickly with these stuff. When things break, when things get out of control, he's he's a handyman basically, right? So then he came, he got the strainer, he got a cup, he put it in, and then he just started putting pressure in it, just putting it. And this is what we did here. So that actually worked. Maybe 30 minutes after we got everything done, and this is actually the texture of how the flaxseed came out. Now honestly, it's not sticky, it doesn't have that uncomfortable thing where I have to wash my hands type of thing. Nope, it was on my hand, and I even forgot it was on my hand. So you just have like this waterish texture, but still, I don't want to say sticky because it's not sticky, but it just have a nice texture to it. It's like gel, but a nicer version of gel. That's the only how I can explain it. So I have some, I store it in the fridge. So this is how it is. Alright, it's nice and cool. Some of the seeds are still in there because I guess since we were mushing it, it wasn't, sure, I can just put some here. Yeah, that'll work. Got sidetracked, but anyway. Yeah, some of the seeds got in there, but it's not an issue because when I see the seeds here, it's just like a little piece. I just take it out. And then I put in my oils in there. Some people just say put in essential oil like lavender and stuff, but I put in my tea tree and coconut oil, just a little tip, so therefore it can give it a nice scent and also give it the hydration that it needs in the flaxseed gel when I retwist. After that, the next day I did a fresh wash and I retwist my hair. So the fresh wash looks like this, you know, just shake, shake, shake. It was refreshing. I use pure Castile soap, and it made my hair feel so squeaky clean, guys. Like I did my regular wash, but then I just add a little tip in there and I just massage my scalp, and it was amazing. When I came out of the bath, it just felt brand new. So whew, I'm gonna definitely use that again. And it took me longer than expected with this retwist that I did this time, but I got it done and it came out amazing. So I'll just let you guys see how it actually is. And again, no build up, no flakes as of today, which is gonna make a week tomorrow. So definitely in my 3 months review, if anything changed, I'll definitely note that. And that's about it, guys. So I'm excited about this new feature that I have and definitely be doing it. The lightning is on point so you guys can really see me and not just dull. Okay, guys? Stay safe out there. It's a crazy time, but trust in and believe in God and everything will be just fine. And also